Hi students, welcome to Sankalp Study Success. Today in this video, I am going to explain how to find the rank of a matrix using echelon form for 3 by 3 matrices. Okay, in the previous videos, we have solved many problems based on 3 by 4, 4 by 3, 5 by 4, 4 by 4 matrices. But in this video, we are going to solve only for 3 by 3 matrices. Let's start the class students problem. Let's revise what is actually echelon form is. Echelon form makes use of the concept called as upper triangular matrix. That is, the elements which are present below the principal diagonal should be made 0. Okay, for example, I will explain you here students. See, if I take a matrix like A is equal to A11, A12, A13. Since we are dealing with 3 by 3 matrix, I am taking a 3 by 3 matrix here. A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix I have taken. Okay. So upper triangular matrix means, see, these are the diagonal elements, right? Principal diagonal. And I should make these 3 elements 0. For that, what we have to follow the steps. Let me revise the steps once again. First, what is the first step? We have to make this A11 element 1. Okay, this is the first step. That means we have to check for the possibility to swap with any other row which has got the first element as 1. Okay, so this is the first step, that is make A11 is equal to 1. Okay, after that what we have to do is we have to make the elements below A11. What are the elements that are present below A11, A21 and A31? Okay, we have to make these two elements 0, making use of the first row, that is R1. Okay, so make these two elements 0. This is step 2. Okay, step 2. Make 0. Make these elements 0 using R1. We have to make use of first row. Okay, next, what is the element that is left below the diagonal? This is the element that is left, that is A32 is left. Okay, see, this is the diagonal and I have made these two as 0 using R1 and I should make this 0. For that, what I have to do? I have to make this 0 using R2. This is the step 3. Step 3, make it 0 using R2. Is that clear students? That's it. So these are the steps that are to be followed for echelon form. Now coming to the problem, we have the matrix A is given like this. So let me write down the matrix once again. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 7, 10 and 12. Okay, so first let's see what is the principal diagonal here. So this is the principal diagonal and I should make these 3 elements 0. Okay, before that, what is first step? What is first step? First step is A11 should be 1. I should make it 1, but here it is already 1. Here this element is already 1. So there is no need to swap with any other row. Now, what is the second step? I should make these two elements 0, making use of R1. Okay, for that, what will be the operations, row operations? R2 implies R2 minus 3R1. And the second one is R3 implies R3 minus 7R1. Is that clear, students? Okay. Now let's write down this R2 minus R31. Okay, what is R2? It is 3, 4, 4 and I should multiply R1 with 3, that is 3, 6 and 9 and I should subtract these two. Okay, minus 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 0, minus 2 and minus 5. Now coming to this row operation R3 minus 7 R1. First write down R3. What is R3 here? 7, 10 and 12. Okay, multiply R1 with 7, 7, 14 and 21. Yes. Now I will subtract these two. This is 0, minus 4 and minus 10. Sorry, minus 9. Sorry students, it is minus 9. Next, so now let us write down the matrix here. We will replace R2 and R3 with the new elements that we got. So A is equal to, what is the first element? 1, 2, 3, 0 minus 2 minus 5, 0 minus 4 minus 9. Okay. So this is the matrix that we got after these row elementary operations. Now again draw the principal diagonal ones. See, this is the principal diagonal. So these two elements are made 0. These two elements are made 0 and this element is left to be made 0. So for that, what I told you the step, you have to make it 0 using R2. Okay, so I have to make it like R3 implies R3 minus 2R2. I am making use of R2 here. So we'll, what is R3 here? 0 minus 4 minus 9. Multiply R2 with 2, that is 0 minus 4 and minus 10. Now subtract these two, minus, minus and minus. 0 minus 4 plus 4 is 0, minus 9 plus 10 is 1. Yes. Now what will be the matrix now? A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0 minus 2 minus 5, 0, 0 and 1. Is that clear, students? See here. Again draw the principal diagonal. These three elements are made 0. Now we can say that this is in echelon form. This is in echelon form. Echelon form. So what is the rank of matrix? The rank of matrix is equal to number of non-zero rows. How many non-zero rows are there? 1, 2 and 3. So therefore the rank of the matrix is equal to 3 here. Is that clear, students? Now coming to the second problem, we have to find the rank of this 3 by 3 matrix using echelon form, and we have to make use of the same concept here. So first I am writing down the matrix again. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 7, 3, 6 and 10. Yes. What is the first step? First step is A11 should be 1. So it is already 1. What is the second step? I should make these two elements 0, making use of R1. Now what will be the operations? R2 implies R2 minus 2R1 and R3 implies R3 minus 3R1. Okay, so what is this operation now? Let's see. R2, what is R2? 2, 4, 7 and R1 I have to multiply by 2. 2, 4, 6. Okay. Minus, minus and minus. So 0, 0 and 1. Now coming to this row operation, that is R3 minus 3R1. What is R3 here? 3, 6, 10. And I have to multiply R1 with 3. 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so I will subtract these two, 0, 0 and 1. Yes, here, students. So we shall replace these rows 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Simply. Okay, now see the principal diagonal. All the three elements below the principal diagonal are made 0. So this is in echelon form. This is in echelon form. So what is the rank of matrix? The rank of matrix is equal to 3 because we have three non-zero rows. That is this 1, 2, 3. 3 non-zero rows. Is that clear, students? Now coming to the third problem. Find the rank of the following matrix using echelon form. I will write down the matrix once again. A is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 2 minus 3. Okay, 1 1 and 4. Yes. See here, students, what is the first step? Actually, the first step is A11 should be 1, but here it is 2. So what I will do, I will swap with R3 because first element of R3 is 1. So I will swap with R3. So R1, I will swap with R3. Then what will be the matrix? A is equal to, that is I am interchanging the rows. 1, 1, 4, minus 1, minus, sorry, minus 1, 2, minus 3 and 2 minus 1 minus 3. So this is how the matrix look after the interchanging rows. Now We have to check for the principal diagonal one. See, this is the principal diagonal and I should make these three elements 0. Now what is the second step? I'll make these two elements 0, making use of R1. Yes. So what will be the operations here? R2 implies R2 plus R1. And the other one is R3 implies R3 minus 2R1. Is that clear, students? So first let us perform this first row operation, that is R2 plus R1. Write down R2 minus 1, 2 minus 3. And what is R1? 1, 1, 4. Okay, if I add these two, 0, 3 and 1. Now coming to the second row operation, that is R3 minus 2R1. Write down R3, 2 minus 1 minus 3 and multiply R1 with 2, that is 2, 2 and 8 and subtract these two, 0 minus 3 and minus 11. Yes. Okay, so we'll write down the matrix now. A is equal to 2, 1 1 4, okay, 0 3 1, 0 minus 3 minus 11. Yes, so this is the matrix obtained after these row elementary operations. Now once again check the principal diagonal. So this is the principal diagonal and this element should be made made 0 using R2. I should make this element 0 using R2. For that, I'll use the operation R3 implies R3 plus R2. What is R3? 0 minus 3 minus 11. What is R2? 0, 3 and 1. So if I add these two, 0, 0 and minus 10. Okay, students, minus. Now, A is equal to, what will be the row now? 1, 1, 4, 0, 3, 1, 0, 0 and minus 10. Yes. See here, students. See, here the principal diagonal and below this the all are made 0. So this is in echelon form. This is in echelon form. Therefore, the rank of the matrix is equal to 3 because we have 3 non-zero rows. R1, R2, R3. All these 3 are non-zero rows. Therefore, the rank of the matrix is 3. For more videos and problems, please do subscribe the channel and download Sankalp Study Success app. Thank you, students.